Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Michigan Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Need affordable local or long distance moving services in Michigan? 3 Movers is here for you. We specialize in both local and long distance moving throughout the state and are always standing by to simplify and streamline your move in Michigan. Contact us today to get a quote and book our services and get the help you need. When it comes to long distance moving in Michigan, 3 Movers is the best choice. We are dedicated to customer satisfaction. With our fleet of trucks and vans, experienced drivers, professional movers, and dedication to transparent, reasonable rates, you can get the assistance you need to make your moving process a stress-free move. We offer guaranteed shipping and arrival dates and can handle long-distance moves of all sizes and types, from single-bedroom condos to multifamily homes. Whether you're moving across the state or across the country, you can trust 3 Movers with your packing and unpacking services. Moving across town in Detroit? Need a home closer to work in Ann Arbor? Buying a house in Lansing? No matter why you have to move locally, 3 Movers is standing by to help. We offer flat rates, expert movers, and professional service. Don't waste your weekend coordinating your own move. Hire us to take care of the job and get into your new home faster and with zero stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Michigan moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which include commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as storage. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.